A group of widows have embarked on poultry keeping project in the Tanzanian Rorya District with the support of WWF. The project seeks to boost income of the women and eventually enable them to have a decent life if all goes well. The group chairperson, Mrs Winfrida Ngaji, thanks WWF for supporting the project, predicting that it will help to improve their living conditions.
Maana wengi sana wanaanza vikundi, na kikundi tulichokiamua kukianzisha ni kikundi hichi cha ufugaji kuku pamoja na kilimo cha mboga mboga. Kwa sasa tuko hapa tumejengewa banda na wana WWF.
Our lives have been very difficult, and that's why we have formed a group to start this project. What we are now lacking is skills on poultry keeping. In the past, the women have been engaging on economic generating activities that used to pollute Mara River, which flows into Lake Victoria on the Tanzanian side, according to a local officer with WWF Mrs Praxeda Majiwa.
Mazingira katika bonde la mto Mara ambao uko chini ya WWF. Sisi tunasaidia kikundi kusudi kuweza kutunza mazingira ya Ziwa Victoria na bonde.
We are helping them in order to conserve environment of Mara River and Lake Victoria as a whole. This is an alternative source of income which is environmental friendly, and by so doing we are reducing environmental pressure. WWF supports various community-initiated conservation activities in several villages adjacent Mara River in Tanzania and Kenya. Mugini Jacob, Voices of Africa in northern Tanzania.